How to fix a bad haircut. That is a topic of today's video. And I know it's a touchy subject because you may have gone to the salon or barber shop and walked out looking like me. No, but seriously, a bad haircut is something that no one wants to have or receive. And there's a lot of information I want to share with you today in regards to a bad haircut. So firstly, you may be getting a bad haircut because the professional who's doing your hair may not be the right person for the job. The best way to find out if they are is to find their social media accounts and look at the type of work they're doing, and that may be the proof of them being able to do the haircut that you want. It's simple. Just go online, look on Instagram, look at their social media, their website, and make a decision, right? So that's one step of how to fix a bad haircut. Even how to prevent a bad haircut. If you are getting an actual bad haircut where maybe it's too short, maybe it's just not laying properly, you can have an option of going to a new professional to have them maybe try to fix it, or honestly, in a lot of these situations, just let it grow out. Let it grow and wait it out, and you'll probably end up finding the right stylist or barber to do that shape over time. I know it sounds simple, but that's all you can do sometimes. Or check this scenario out. Imagine if you could have a virtual assistant that can help you with your hair services. I know you're like, a virtual assistant, how's that possible? Well, with the Rock Paper app, which I've been talking about, I'm so happy and proud to be a part of it. It's come such a long way. But this app, the Rock Paper app, literally, it's like your virtual assistant for getting your hair services. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you some screen recordings and some videos of how this app actually works and how it can help you and prevent you from getting a bad haircut. So I am proud to be a partner in this app, and really, as I mentioned before, it's come such a long way. It's free. And in the description below are the download links to whether you're using iOS or Android. And it's available worldwide. We have over 10,000 active users and downloads now, and I'm so excited. So if you're a professional, whether you're a barber or a hairstylist, you can sign up for free for this. And if you're a client, you can sign up for free for this. It's really changing the game, and we've come such a long way, and I'm really, really proud to be a part of this. So really, what is it? What can it do for you? How can it help you and prevent you from getting bad haircuts? Well, you have so many different options, right? And the options are limitless. And all the time, we're coming up with new updates and upgrades to make life so much easier for you and for professionals to help you get the right service that you're looking for. And that can range from finding, styles, creating your own style guide, right? What type of haircut that you want. Do you want something more masculine, more feminine? What type of hair texture do you have? What type of hair color, or what is your hair color? And the list goes on to help you really narrow down your hair so that you can get the right look. Match that up with a database of images that we've curated for you to make life so much easier. And the coolest thing is that you can actually go onto Google, like I mentioned all the time. You can save the photos to your camera and then upload them into your own private customized gallery that you can share with your professional. And I know I go on and on. I tell people all the time, show photos, show photos. Well, now, not only can you show photos to your stylist, but you can now make notes, right? What you like, what you didn't like. You can also set up routines, like every 5 weeks, get a haircut. Every 2 weeks, get a shave. And what's crazy is that the app will show like a green bar saying that, okay, you're keeping consistent. If you're not keeping up with your grooming routines, the bar turns red, like, hello, you need to get your hair done or your shave or whatever it is, which I think is like mind-blowing. It's so amazing and so advanced. And that's where we're going with this app, which I'm really, really proud to be a part of. So you can create your own style cards. And then what you can do is once you have all that information, which you can enter in and manage completely on your own, you can actually take that barcode on your phone and your stylist can simply scan that in, that they can then look over the information. So say, for example, you're not the most talkative person, right? And I've gotten feedback from people saying, oh man, I don't like talking to my stylist, my barber, you know, I'm a little more shy, I feel uncomfortable. Well, guess what? You can type in everything that you want into your profile, share that with the professional, and they can just look it over, and then they can make the determination of what they want to ask you. That can help them actually go on their phone and say, oh, okay, you know, I see here you get your haircut every 5 weeks. You like a number 1 fade. You like the top about, 1.5 inches long. Everything is blended in. Okay, I get that. And then they can ask you maybe some simple questions, but by them reading it over, and then to top it off, you can then share with them the photos that you've saved to your profile, so they can really, really get a good understanding of what it is you're looking for. I mean, we're trying to simplify the hair cutting or hair coloring, even the process for you, right? Trying to make it as simple as possible. And even say you're still, freaked out about COVID. You don't want to talk as much. You still want to wear your mask. Well, guess what? You don't even have to, the stylist or the barber can just look through this with minimal conversation if safety is still a concern for you. So really, the Rock Paper app has come such a long way, and I'm so proud to be a part of it. So this literally is a way to help you to get better haircuts. And please download it. It's amazing. It's free. It's literally for free. And where we're going with this, I'm telling you, I'm so happy to be, a partner in this, and it's going to keep growing and growing and growing and getting more and more advanced. So please download it for free. Let me know in the comments below. Please use the app, and I appreciate all the support.